What's up guys, Section here back with another video. In the overheated budget smartphone market, Xiaomi has been dominating with their value for money offerings. Looks like other players want to catch up, and surprisingly, Asus, a brand known for making good looking sturdy phones, wants to change the game with their latest budget offering in the below 15K segment. Today, Asus has launched a new smartphone in their Zenfone series called the Zenfone Max Pro M1. Yeah, that's a mouthful. Pricing starts at 10,999 and is Flipkart exclusive. Looks like it comes with an impressive mixture of hardware and software combo. Alright, now let's get right into it. Here is the box, pretty straightforward. Slide open, we have a small pack that contains the usual documentation and a SIM eject pin. Then the phone itself. Nice! Let's get to it in a bit. Then a 5V 2A charger adapter, a micro USB charging cable, and finally something called Max Box, which I will talk about as we go. That's about the box. Here you go, the Asus Zenfone Max Pro M1 in its glory. This is the deep sea black color and also comes in silver color called Meteor Silver. Aluminium body with curved edges gives a premium feel. Build is solid, grippy, surprisingly thin and light in weight for a 5000 mAh battery phone. Oh yes, this is one of the major highlights of this device, a large battery. Here is a quick look at the technical specifications. Before I talk more, let's go 360. Front top, we have the 8 megapixel front camera, hidden sensors, earpiece, notification LED and front flash. Followed by the 5.99-inch Full HD Plus 18:9 IPS display with 2.5D curved glass, which has good color reproduction and viewing angles. Front bottom, you have nothing, navigation keys are on screen. To the right, the volume rocker and power button. To the left comes the next major highlight of this device, a triple slot which can take 2 nano SIM cards and a separate microSD card for up to 256GB. Yep, 2 SIM cards and storage expansion is possible. Cool, finally we get to see this. And VoLTE is supported so you can use your Geo SIM. Bottom houses the speaker grill, a micro USB slot, primary microphone and the 3.5mm audio slot. Top has a secondary mic for noise cancellation. To the back, we have the dual camera setup, 13 megapixel primary and 5 megapixel secondary for depth sensing along with LED flash. You also have the fingerprint sensor. That's about it. So what are my initial impressions about this device? Well, under the hood, Zenfone Max Pro comes with Snapdragon 636 clocked at 1.8 GHz with Adreno 509 GPU bundled with 3GB RAM and 32GB storage. You also get a 4GB 64GB model. In the 32GB variant, on first boot you get around 23GB free to use. Even though 32GB seems less, given that you get a dedicated microSD card slot for photos and media, that's a plus. On the software and UI, for the first time, Asus has gone with pure stock Android Oreo out of the box, which is a good thing and another major highlight of this device. So all you stock Android lovers, this will impress you. Fast updates. Overall, in my initial use, feels super snappy given its stock experience. Also, no unwanted bloatware installed. Tried a few games as well and it handled them good. Given the specs can get your everyday tasks done with ease. However, I'll be testing this further and will let you know how well it did in my full review. Moving on to some quick generic things. On the sensors, all common stuff is packed in. Accelerometer, gyro, proximity, except NFC. Even has FM radio. Audio via the 5-magnet external speaker is loud. Asus has bundled a small accessory called the Max Box with this device, which amplifies the sound when docked. Just gives you a slightly louder sound when listening to music. Handy. Fingerprint sensor is okay, not the fastest I've tested but gets the job done. And if you're wondering if this has face unlock feature, well, Asus has committed that via a software update, which will come out pretty soon. And finally, camera. What you get is a Snapdragon camera. For selfies, you also get front flash. The camera app has a few modes and auto controls, however not much to play manually. Both front and rear can take portrait shots, you know, the ones with those blur backgrounds. Video recording goes up to 4K with rear and 1080p with front. I quickly took some sample shots as you can see here, and they did well in well-lit conditions. The front camera as well. However, I have to test it even more under different conditions to talk more on camera. We'll go in depth in my full review. For now, this is what it offers. Currently recording this using the front-facing camera of the Max Pro, and the audio that you're hearing is also through that. So you get a pretty good idea. Overall, at first look, Zenfone Max Pro M1 has a lot to offer with some interesting highlights. It has a large display, large battery, Snapdragon 636, dual SIM and a dedicated microSD card slot, stock Android, etc. Considering the pricing and the crazy flash sales with Redmi devices, this can give a tough fight to the Redmi Note 5 and Note 5 Pro. You guys let me know if you need a comparison video against Redmi Note 5 and Note 5 Pro. Also, let me know your thoughts, questions about this device in the comments below and I'll try to answer them. Alright, so that's it for this unboxing and first impressions of the Zenfone Max Pro. If you found it informative, give it a big thumbs up, like and share, and if you're new to TechShan, go hit that red subscribe button along with that bell icon so that we can catch up in another exciting video. Until then, I have more cool videos on the channel. Go ahead and check it out.